Okay guys, today we're gonna play, I forgot what's the name of this game. Like bro, I can't believe I can do this again. Like, I literally knew the first one. Look, I have proof. Wait, where is it? See? Oh wait, not that one. See? I literally already did this one. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't. So, let's try this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
May bagong gigising sa'yo. Bagong yes kasi.
No.
May dark roast coffee.
Bro,
Ang aroma at sarap. Tama, ang tapang ng katawan at sisig ng isipan. Bagong Nescafe Original. Lipat na.
I believe skin confidence starts with what you take inside. And no one knows my skin like Myra E. Powerfully works from deep within to help boost collagen and enhance skin. Join us and get that Myra skin confidence. We know, right? Many medical baby holders are exposed to 200 cold viruses. Unprotected while making friends, I only choose Nido 3 Plus. With up to 1 billion probiotics. Noodle for respiratory protection. Nido 3 Plus, your active plus. Your playground, now online.
Why is this so hard to
1,500 games. A secure and fast game fees. Get a looking for a fun option to try all the games.
that was an accident.
Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause.
Why is
And
this
reverse the signs of damage. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Help me.
Bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands.
Oh my god.
Reversing the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair. Just
Sometimes
pause,
I need
reverse,
practice, bro.
and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
See? I still need practice.
Sobrang sakit? Flanax na. Flanax Shield Suso will cause a pain. With care. Panataga po.
I need to practice so I can do it whenever someone is trolling and trolling is a binding power.
Sobrang sakit?
Yeah. By the way guys, this is a private server. By the way guys, sometimes I what the freak was that? What the freak?
Say ko, di ba?
What's this?
Sunsilk Anti-Nausea. Ready na? Anong problema? Pagod na ako. Sa hair problems ko. Pagod na ako mag-dandruff. At pagod na ako sa dry and weak hair. Girl, cut the drama. Use Sunsilk Anti-Nausea. A 2-in-1 solution of BT oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff. Para healthy, smooth and hair. All game? Pagod na ako. Maging maganda. Then no dandruff na, healthy, smooth hair pa. With Sunsilk.
I need to do skip. Oh wait, I don't know. My lag, bro. I need a therapy, bro. Already starting to dang it. Can you even... Oh, I can see now.
Growth nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him
Bro,
Pediasure
what
Plus
does the
with
back
more growth
look like?
nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones. Get
Would you
1.5
please stop
times faster growth and
beating your butt?
Also available for teens. Does your anti-dandruff shampoo leave your hair dry and weak? Don't do the kill scalp. With
I can't wait for 43 minutes for that free scalp, bro.
For 100% dandruff-free and smoother hair with zero compromise. Available in Hair Fall Recovery.
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything. When you're passionate about something, you really don't like to lose. It's game day with Bet88 Sports.
Yes, 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 yes. Finally, I can go to a different stage. Oh, not this again.
Sobrang init. Ang init sa dehydration.
Practice makes
Visualite. Visualite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Bro,
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
help.
Straightening, color, curling. Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause and reverse the signs of damage. Dove Ceramide
I'm doing the hard
Intensive
way.
With bioprotein
Man, just
gel
joking.
that penetrates hair strands. Reversing the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger
Finally, yes.
and smooth hair.
Yes, yes, yes,
Just
yes.
pause, reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Ano? Tatakbo ang Vice Mayor? Eh, hindi na nga nakapag-aral.
Bro, stop this thing.
Ang talent mo, basag ulo. Anong kabutihan madadala mo sa Maynila?
Chairman. Kaya ako po gusto tumakbo bilang Vice Mayor dahil sa pagtumulong sa mga kalugar natin.
Seryoso nga.
I'm losing my aura.
Chairman,
No, not really. I don't even have aura.
alam ko naging tarantado ako. At alam ko rin naging kayo sa akin. Pero lahat po yung pinisiyan ko na. Kaya ako gusto tumakbo bilang Vice Mayor. Para tulungan ang mga kabataan. At tulungan ang lahat ng mga tao sa lugar natin. Yan ang iba na ako.
Quiet when there's no one.
Namigay ka lang ng pera, nagbago ka na. Ang goal, hindi lahat ng tao kaya mong bili ng pera mo. Tsaka anong mangyayari sa Maynila? Isang katulad ng umuulo.
Alam ko kung paano buhay ang mga tao dito. Alam ko kung ano kailangan nila.
Listening
At
to
yung mga taong dapat ako mabubuhay dito. Yung alam ang buhay natin.
she's so perfect. Blah blah blah.
Mama ka naman.
To me, confess
Maraming
your
namumuno.
love is just
Wala
like
naman
this.
talagang alam. Kataon ng mayaman. Kapamilya ng politiko. Tulad ito, ito. Yung kapatid nito, Roberto Guerrero. Bumubod ng yaman. Wala naman talagang alam yan eh. I totally agree with you, Chairman.
Okay.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi na nila ako kalyado. Tama yung sinabi niya. Walang kalaman si Roberto. Si Papa lang naman ang mapili. Pero talagang ako ang dapat maging
I
mayor.
think this game hates me.
Yun ang problema, Tanggol. O ikaw, paano alam mo sa politika?
Bro, I wish I was still.
Chairman, alam kong wala akong alam sa politika. Kaya ako lumalapit sa inyo. At alam ko na kayo makakatulong sa akin bilang congressman.
Congressman? Barangay chairman lang ako. At pakatakbo yung mga congressman.
Tama si Chairman.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina eh.
Why is
Chairman.
this so hard?
Kilala kita at alam kong kayang-kaya mo na maging congressman. Kilala ko ang pagkatao at puso mo. Para sa'yo, ang mali ay mali. Ang tama ay tama. Chairman,
Okay,
ikaw ang
let's do
makakatulong
this.
sa amin. At matutulungan mo rin ang buong Maynila.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Sa totoo lang,
God, who's this? Who's
last week ako
this?
nakapagsiya.
Okay, wait, what?
Nagkataon lang na
Oh,
napimot ako.
okay.
Ano ba unahin ko?
Wait, did
Yung
he
pamilya
left?
ko
Oh, he
o
left.
yung pangarap ko? Natural, yung pamilya ko.
What's this?
Yung mga classmate ko, bugado na.
Don't
Pero,
you
barangay captain naman ako na pagservisyo sa tao.
See? Tanggol. Talagang ayaw tumakbo ni Chairman. Kaya si Inigo na lang tatakuin natin bilang congressman. Wala na tayong problema. Thank you so much, Chairman. Let's go.
Tanggol, dali lang. Alam mo may punto ka din eh. Qualified naman talaga akong maging congressman eh. Sayang naman yung pinag-aralan ko.
Oh, wait, there's
Ito na yung pagkakataon, tingin ko makagawa ko ng
Oh,
batas.
say.
Para siya kakapuli ng Manila.
They don't love you like I love you.
Tanggol,
They don't love you like I love you.
sasamahan kita. Tatakbo akong congressman.
Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Chairman, are you sure? Baka gusto niyo muna pag-isipan ito ng mabuti.
Olivia, nakapag-mission na ako. Chairman Origa, ang tatakbong congressman sa partido natin. Filing tayo. Bukas na filing ng candidacy. Paalam na sa mga tao.
Pass, pass. Let me pass this, please.
Kuya, hindi ko gusto na reality.
Okay, what you want?
Hindi ka natatapos ang araw.
No,
Matitis din na si Tanggol.
actually, I was gonna go. Okay. Okay, I don't know how did I get this. Bruh. I'm going back in time though. Which button? What's this? Is this my sibling? Is this my sibling? Okay, never mind. That's not my sibling. What's this? Okay, get out. What's this?
Papatuloy namin kung servisyo binigay namin sa iyo hanggang score. Alam ko na
Oh, it's just a
sa political dynasty at konti lang natupad nila sa mga pangako na
I'm not just practice.
Wala silang natupad.
I'm not just
Isa,
practice.
hindi namin utang na loob kung sinusuportaan niyo kami. Dahil kayong mga lokal ang may utang na loob sa
Let's see
amin
if I
at
can do this.
pinamahalaan namin kayo.
isinusumpa ko. Natatapos na
Bruh.
ang araw nyo.
Bruh. After all my hard work, I can't do this. This doesn't make sense.
FBJ's Batang Quiapo.
But that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like and subscribe if you want part 2. Or maybe just comment if you want part 2 anyway. And don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Because I want to reach 400 subscribers. Okay. Okay, that's all. Bye.